Hello my friends, welcome back to my device again. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your iPhone into a webcam or how to use your iPhone as a webcam. If you are in need of high quality webcam, then consider using your iPhone. You can use your iPhone to take videos or set up your iPhone to work as a webcam for your PC. When using an iPhone as a webcam, you can take videos, join video conferences, or live streaming and more. So if you want to know how to do it, do not leave me just for this video. First of all, go to the link, I will mention it in description. And as you can see, the first one is download driver and the second one is application download. So go to the link elgato.com. As you can see here, the download link for App Store, and we will go to the downside of the website, and here you can find the actually link for download the driver, and it depends on your OS. You can download macOS or Windows OS driver. So because I'm on the Windows, I will select the Windows option. And the last one is the download link of the driver. So click on the download. Click on no thanks, and here you can find the download. After completing setup, we will go to the search bar and search the epoccam, and you can see here epoccam viewer and open it. So guys, we are done here with your PC, and we should go back to our iPhone and go to the App Store. Search the epoccam again, epoccam, and you will find it here. There is actually two versions, and we will choose the free version. After the download is complete, you should plug your iPhone to a USB cable and open up the epoccam application. So first of all, we need to plug our iPhone, and after that open up the epoccam with the green icon. So guys, as you can see, everything is worked perfectly, and we have a picture in our both our iPhone and our PC, and that's it. So guys, don't forget again, subscribe my channel and press the bell button, and if you like this video, please like it and put the comment and share it with your friends.